This is the makeup I'm doing when I'm in a hurry. I woke up late, I have 5 minutes, and I need to get out the door. It's quick, it's easy, it's beginner friendly, and it really just looks like your skin. So if you wanna know how to do this in 5 minutes, let's get right into it. Honestly, I'm not even gonna use a lot of products because you really don't need a lot of products for this look, but I am gonna start with brows. No matter where I'm going, if I have 5 minutes, I'm always going to at least fluff up my brows a little bit. I may not fill them in, but I gotta do a little something with them. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Lamination Brow Gel. I just did a full video of L'Oreal, a full face of L'Oreal. I'll take the video here if you wanna see something more in depth with this, but I love this brow gel. It is so good. It never fails me. I honestly love the little spoolie on this. It's just the perfect size for my brow. If you have bigger brows, it might not be the perfect size, but I feel like it just coats every single hair. It literally just makes you look a little bit more put together. So this is a step I'm always gonna do. If I have time, I will take the NYX brow pen and I will very lightly fill in the areas that look a little sparse. Normally, I would carve out my brows. I would make them look very snatched, but we're not doing that today. We are putting the pen down. We are not touching them anymore. The next step is prepping your skin. Even if you're wearing a very little bit of makeup, the tiniest bit of makeup, you need to put something on your skin for it to stick to. There's so many products I like, but clearly I really like this one. This is the Delba Toner. It just is so lightweight and it gives you such a beautiful glow. It's perfect for no makeup days or a full beat. If I'm wearing a lot of makeup, I will do multiple layers of this, but if I'm just doing a little bit of makeup, I'll probably just do one coat. This really feels like water. The consistency is so thin. It just brings your skin back to life. And if you're not wearing a lot of makeup, you kind of want your skin to stand out a little bit. And I feel like this just looks so good. I also love their hydrating spray and their collagen masks are really good. I need to try more things because at this point, I'm collecting. I'm obsessed. On no makeup days, or if I literally have 5 to 10 minutes and I just need to get out the door, this is my favorite concealer. It's my holy grail. It's what I always use. It's the NARS Pot Concealer. This is in the shade 2.3 Madeline. This is a soft matte concealer, so it is going to cover up any redness, hyperpigmentation. If you have acne, it will also cover up the redness of that, which, girl, I do. But what I love about this is it just looks so natural, and I really do think this is the best product for covering up any blemishes. And if I'm running out the door, I want a little bit of concealer and I just want to touch up where my skin needs it the most. This is perfect for that. Watch the pimple disappear. Girl, what? It literally just blends in. I also feel like with this concealer, you really don't need to set it. I will if I know I'm gonna be out all day, but it really just takes away any redness, darkness, discoloration. Oh, it is such a good concealer. And I saw a lot of people talk about this before I got it. And I was like, there is no way it's that good because it's a very hyped product. Girl, I am telling you, it is that good. This is technically a matte, soft matte concealer, so it is self-setting. You don't need powder. I'm gonna set it, but you don't need to do that if you don't want to. It's not like a super dewy, hydrating concealer like Natasha Denona. It's very different than that. It's matte. And I love how natural it looks. It just looks so good. I'm gonna put this under my eyes and just where I really need it the most. I covered up a little bit of redness here. I covered up my pimple. I might put a little bit on my forehead. I do want my skin to show, but I'm just gonna use this where I need it. I feel like my skin already looks so much better. How does it get rid of everything? Girl, I don't know. It's magic. It's magic in a little bottle. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, I use this under my eye, my pimple, and then just little tiny touch-ups here and there. Look at this side compared to this side. It literally looks like I'm not wearing makeup, but I am. That is actually crazy. I love this product. This is like a magic eraser. It literally just erases everything you don't want on your face. Now we need to add a little bit of life back to this face, and I'm going to use my current favorite product for no makeup days. But before we do that, girl, make sure you subscribe. I upload every Friday, and I saw that 90% of you aren't subscribed. So join the community, join the family. I don't know if you guys know this, but I do custom beauty boxes every single month. You literally don't have to do anything. I just pick random people every month and I give you free custom boxes based off of makeup that you love. I've been absolutely loving bronzer tints. They have been going insanely viral. There's so many. I just bought the Viral Tea by Terry. Girl, that is so pricey. This is $5 and it's so good. This is technically just a different shade of their blush. So if you've tried their blush stain, you know these dry extremely fast. I actually don't like using these when I'm wearing foundation. I only like it on no makeup days. I just feel like it looks better on bare skin versus a full face. I am just super sloppy with this. I don't care how it looks because it just blends out. Look at that. That's crazy. It actually looks like a spray tan, but natural. It's so quick and fast to do, and it just looks good, and it's a stain, so it literally lasts all day. This is truly the best product for just running out the door because look how quick that blended. And it really just looks like skin because it is water-based, so this isn't going to add any texture to your skin like a cream bronzer or a liquid bronzer would. It's just gonna add color versus texture, which, girl, we need it. We were looking a little pale. These are normally $6, which is so affordable, but it's actually $5 right now. So if you guys want to try this, I will link it for you. It's such a good product. I always link everything on screen and down below for you guys. I also have a Shop My, which is basically a little storefront where I literally put every single product from every single post. So I'll put that down below as well if you guys want to follow that. Every product is always there, so you don't have to search for it. It's literally like scrolling through Instagram, but you can shop products. I always like to add a little bit of blush. I usually do a cream or a liquid. Today, I'm going to use this NARS liquid blush. It's so pretty. I feel like it's the perfect shade, especially for no makeup. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand first and go in with a brush because this way, it's not going to look like we're wearing too much. Oh. This shade is so pretty. This is in the shade Fast Ride. I also feel like liquid blushes are a little less textured than cream blushes. So if you really want to kind of keep your skin looking like skin and not have too much texture, I would use a liquid blush versus a cream. Usually I would go in with a lot more blush, but girl, we have to control ourselves. This is no makeup, 10-minute makeup. We don't have time to do a full beat. I'm going to take the slightest bit of powder. If you know, this is my holy grail. It's pretty much the only powder I use. And I'm going to just put the littlest bit of powder where my concealer is. Just the slightest bit in the corner. If you use the NARS Pot Concealer and you're not using a lot and you're just doing one layer, you really don't need a lot of powder. Now it is my favorite part, and that is freckles. I just really feel like it brings the skin back to life. This is the She Glam Freckle Pen. I discovered this when I did a full face of She Glam, so I'll link that video below for you too. This is dual-ended, but I never use this side. I'm only using the little stamp side, which I absolutely love. It makes doing freckles so easy, and I feel like this shade is just the perfect freckle shade. I actually naturally have a lot of freckles, especially right here and on my nose. They're kind of everywhere. So I do like to put this where they normally are. I also don't take the pen and stamp it on completely. I kind of turn it to the side. So I'm just getting a little bit at a time because I do feel like that looks more natural. I'm also not going to do too many. A lot of people go hard on the freckles and I just don't really like how that looks. So I'm only going to do a few. I also want to highlight the other freckles that I do have on my cheeks. And I'm going to use this other SheGlam freckle product. This is my other favorite one. SheGlam has the best freckle products, I will say, and they're so affordable. I'm like, why are people spending like $30 on a freckle product? It doesn't make sense when these products exist. This one is not a pen. It's kind of just like a dot as you go, but I also really like the shade of this, and I feel like it just looks more natural. You can go lighter, you can go heavier. You literally have full control of this. I'm gonna do the littlest bit of setting spray. You can use a matte one, you can use a dewy one, whatever one you want and works the best with your skin. I'm gonna use the One Size Powder Melt. This is going to make your skin look very dewy, very glassy. You do not need a lot of this. If this is too dewy looking for you, take a matte one and then layer it with this. It's the perfect combination, it's the perfect in between. I always tell people to do that. I'm just gonna do a few sprays. Just like that, no more. It just adds a little bit of glow and it really just makes your skin look like skin. I know we're not wearing a lot of makeup, but I do still want my skin to pretty much be the main thing on my face, if that makes sense.
What?
I'm going to do a very light layer of mascara. Typically, I would do 2 layers, 3 layers, but since we're doing no makeup, or if we're just running out the door and we don't have time, we're gonna do 1 layer and have them look very natural. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I have not seen anyone talking about this and I received it in PR. It is so good. I have not stopped using it. I should make a video on it because why is no one talking about this? This is a really good mascara. I'm gonna wanna do more layers, but we need to control ourselves. That is the thing about clean girl makeup. I swear it's just not using a lot. That is it. That is all we are doing for mascara. I do like to curl them one more time though once they dry down, but I'm gonna do my lips first. If I'm running out the door, if I'm doing no makeup, I'm always wearing a lip stain. You will not catch me not wearing a lip stain outside of this house. It's just so easy to do and it really does last for hours. I am loyal to the NYX lip stains. These are so good and the tip makes lining your lips so easy. And the shades are freaking gorgeous, but there's also a lot of other really good ones. I love Wonder Skin. I love the new e.l.f. ones. I love CoverGirl. There are so many and they're so affordable. You honestly cannot go wrong with any of the ones I listed. This is in the shade Barely There. My favorite one is Naughty Nude, but it's actually, I might have it up here. Let me check. I was gonna say it's in my purse, but I might actually have one. I do! I have a Naughty Nude. Okay, this is in the shade Naughty Nude. It is my favorite color from the NYX line. It is so good. Since this is no makeup, I'm running out the door. I'm not going to really make my lips look super defined. I'm going to line it and then quickly buff it out. So I'm still gonna have color on my lips, but I'm not gonna have it look like I'm really trying, if that makes sense. I'm putting it on, I'm getting color, but I'm quickly buffing it out. I really am debating getting my lips blushed. If any of you have done that, comment below and let me know how your experience was and if you like it, because I feel like it would be so incredible to not have to put a lip stain on and just throw on some gloss. But I've heard mixed things, so if you've tried it, comment below and let me know. I'm gonna top this with a little bit of clear gloss. Technically, this is a plumping gloss, and it does feel like your lips kind of vibrate, so be aware of that if you try this one. This is officially no makeup, 5-minute makeup, running out the door makeup. It looks so good, and it looks like you really took the time to put yourself together when it literally didn't take any time at all. The star of the show, if you are going to get any product from this video, I am telling you, get the NARS Pot Concealer. This is such a good concealer specifically for this kind of makeup look. I've tried to do this with my Natasha Denona or any other concealer, and it just never looks as good and as natural as when I use this. And it lasts you such a long time. I have had this, girl, I couldn't even tell you how long. It's probably expired, but it still works. It's still good. And I'm gonna use it until the pot is empty. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved this video, make sure you like and subscribe. I upload every single freaking Friday. Now I have to run out the door, girl, because I gotta get my skin checked and you should too. So I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.